Good morning, dear students. Okay, yesterday I told you to solve exercise 7.2 first four mains. If any
Good morning.
doubts regarding exercise 7.2 means ask me. Any doubts regarding exercise 7.2? Okay, I only solve. No one saying nothing. See here in exercise 7.2, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1 7 and 4 3 in the ratio 2:3. So find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of find the coordinates of point which divides means p of xy is asked. Okay, a is -1 7 and b is 4 3. Ratio m is to n is given, that is 2:3. See here. So how to find the coordinate of the point which divides ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ m is to n. So here a b point p divides internally. Okay, we have to find the coordinates of this point. A is -1 7 and b is 4 3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, therefore coordinates of pxy is given by mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So in this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, this is the ratio m and this is the ratio n. Okay, so this is equal to, what is m? M is 2. X2, where is x2? X2 is 4 plus n, where is n? N is 3. X1 is -1 divided by m plus n is 2 plus 3, comma m is 2, y2 is -3 plus n is 3, y1 is 7 divided by m plus 1, m plus n, 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are -3 because plus into minus is minus, divided by 5, comma 2 3s are 6 -6 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is equal to, so 8 minus 3 is 5 divided by 5 minus 6 plus 21. How much it is? So 15 divided by 5. See, 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 threes are. So that is equal to 1 comma 3. Therefore coordinates of the point of division, coordinates of the point of division p of xy is equal to 1 comma 3. Yes, everyone should take the screenshot to make a note. Right. Shall I move to next question? That is, find Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. See here, section, trisection. Before that, we have to study about bisection. Where is given? Right. Okay, we'll study the example number 2. I will solve this one only. Okay. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of line segment joining. So second question, trisection. Find the coordinates of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. See here, this is the line segment AB. Okay, in the ratio in of coordinates 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3. So this line segment forms 3 equal parts. Okay, so this is the trisection. This is one part, this is one part, this is one part. All the 3 parts are equal. Then only we say it is a trisection. Find the coordinates of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma 1. See here. So all the 3 points are equal. So this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. Then what about so if you take this as point P and this as point Q, so from A to P it is 1 unit, and from A to P to B it is 1 plus 1 2 units. So this may you take as M 1 unit, N as 2 unit. In the second, if you want to find the coordinates of Q, from A to Q 1 ratio, and here to here it is another ratio. So here to here it is 1 2, so 2 units. Okay, M is equal to 2 here and N is equal to 1. You can consider like this. Any doubts regarding this explanation? Dear students listening, so ಟ್ರೈಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಸಮನಾದ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. 3 ಸಮನಾದ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಅದು ಏನೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 1 1 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ A to P is 1 unit, P to Q is 1 unit, Q to B is 1 unit. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ A to P 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಅದನ್ನ M ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ನಾವು P ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ P to B ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೊಂದು 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ M is to N ಇಲ್ಲೇ 1 is to 2 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ Q in the same way as we found in first question. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q coordinates find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ Q ನ XY ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. coordinates from A to Q ratio is taken as M2, so N is taken as 1, right? So we have, therefore, coordinates of PXY is given by, if you take this one as x1 y1, okay, and this one as x2 y2, is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so this is equal to what is m? M in the first, to find the coordinates of P, M is 1. Okay, m x2. What is x2? x2 is minus 2 plus n is 2. x1 is what? 4 divided by 1 plus 2, comma, m is 1. What is y2? y2 is minus 3 plus n is 2. y1 is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3, comma, minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. This is equal to minus 6 divided by 3. Sorry, plus 6. Minus 2 plus 8 is plus 6, comma, minus 5 divided by 3. So this is equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are. So this is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Coordinates of P are 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So in the same way, coordinates of, to find the coordinates of P QXY is given by same way my2. What is m is 1, y2 is m is 2 here, m is 2, y2 is x2 is minus 2, x1 is 4, n is 1, 4 divided by 2 plus 1, comma, 2 into bracket of minus 3 plus 1 into bracket of minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2, m is to n. So this is equal to 2 2s are minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3, 2 3s are minus 6 plus of minus 1 divided by 3. So this is equal to minus 4 plus 4 is 0 divided by 3, minus 7 divided by 3. That is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3 are the coordinates of Q. Therefore, point of division P and Q, coordinates of the point of division P and Q are 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and 0 comma minus 7 divided by 3. Like that we have to solve. Okay, right, take this screenshot first. Okay, next take the screenshot here. Right. Okay, third question. To conduct sports day activities, in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flowers pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. So here to here it is 1 meter. So after 1 meter, they kept one flower pot. Second, again one flower pot. Third, fourth, and so on up to D. They kept how many flower pots? 10 flower pots. To conduct the sports day activities in regular rectangular shape, the school ground ABCD, line have been drawn with the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Ikkadi kuda 1 meter distance ide, ikkadi kuda 1 distance ide. Okay, so 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 from each other along as shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD. Niharika 1/4 the distance. Actually, so at 1 meter, one flower pot. At 100 meter, 100th flower pot. It means distance is 100 meter. So 1/4 of distance means that is 25 meter. So Niharika runs how much, how many distance, how much distance? It is 25 meter. Okay, so this is the 25. So 25 means what is the coordinate of this Niharika? Coordinate point of Niharika. Who will
225.
use? Very good. 2
25.
comma 25. 2 comma 25. Very good. So 2 comma 25. So Niharika at what position? She is at 2 comma 25 position. Okay. Distance AD on the second line. Okay. Second line anta helidare. That is okay. And posts a green flag. So Niharika yav flag? Green flag. Green flag na alle ಚುಚ್ತಾಳೆ. Okay. Green flag. Preet runs. Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD. Preet. So 1/5 of distance AD is again 100. 5, 20 is 100. 20 meter. So distance AD on the 8th line and post a red flag. 8th line means 8th
8,
line where it is
20, sir.
8 comma 20. So coordinate point of Preet is 8 comma 20. Good. Right. The distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. So red flag na post ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Okay, good. What is the distance between both the flags? Red flag and green flag. What is the distance between these two flags? So how will you find these two distances between these two distance? We can have already coordinate points. So you can call this red flag at position A, as a green flag at position A, and red flag at position B. So we can find the distance between AB by using distance formula or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, what is the distance between the both the flags? I thought if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Means they are asking to find the midpoint. Okay, A is here, B is here. A means Niharika at A position and Preet at B position. Rasmi has to uh, post the flag in exactly in between the midpoint of AB. So here Rashmi will post the flag that taken as x comma y. We need to find this one. So this is midpoint means these two parts are equal, taken as ratio 1:1. We have midpoint formula. Okay, midpoint of midpoint P of xy is given by x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. So this is equal to, what is x2? You may take x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, x2 is 8, x1 is 2 divided by 2, y2 is 20, y1 is 25 divided by 2. That is equal to 10 by 2 comma 45 by 2. That is 5 comma 45 by 2, or you may take as 22.5. So 5 comma 45 by 2 is the coordinate point of Rashmi. Okay, take this screenshot. All of you understood or not this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll move to next one. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point -3, 10 and 6 minus 10 is divided by, fourth one, see here, find the ratio in which line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6 minus 8 is divided by. So we need to find the ratio m is to n. Okay, find the ratio means m is to n, we have to find line segment joining the points. Points means these are the coordinates of a and b, -3, 10 and b 6 minus 8, divided by means that is the coordinates of pxy is -1, 6. Okay, so we have, so if they are asked directly to find m is to n ratio, you can take x coordinate or you may take y coordinate. What is x coordinate? That is -1. So for that, section formula is given by mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so -1 is equal to, what is m? M here we need to find x2, x1, y1, x2, y2, x2 is 6 plus n into x1, where is x1? That is -3 divided by m plus n. By cross multiplication, -1 into m plus n is equal to 6 into m, 6m, -3 into n is -3n. Okay, minus m minus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. Okay, bring this minus m to this side. Okay, this 3n to this side. Okay, 3n minus n equal to 6m plus m. So 3m minus n is 2n is equal to 7m. 6m plus m is 7m. Number bring this side, new variable bring to right side. That becomes 2 divided by 7 is equal to m divided by n, or you may write m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. In the same way, you can also find the m is to n ratio by using y coordinate. Here x coordinate is -1 and y coordinate is 6. So if you take 6 is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, or okay, you don't need to solve both. Okay, you can solve by using x coordinate or you can solve by using y coordinate. See what will happen. So 6 is equal to m into y2 is what? 6 plus n into y1 is what? Sorry, y2 is -8. y2 is -8 plus n into y1 is 10 divided by m plus n. By cross multiplication, 6 into m plus n is equal to -8 into m is -8m plus 10 into n is 10n. 6m plus 6n equal to -8m plus 10n. Okay, bring this to left side. 6m plus 8m, bring this to right side. 10n minus 6n. So 6 plus 8 is what? 14m is equal to 4n. So m divided by n is equal to 4 divided by 14. 2 2s are 2 7s are. M is to n is equal to, m divided by n is equal to 2 divided by 7. Therefore m is to n is again 2 is to 7. See here, answers are similar. So you can solve by taking the x coordinate or you can solve by taking y coordinate. Both answers should be same. Okay, this type simplification were not given in your textbook. Okay, in the textbook they have taken as ratio k is to 1. This is easy method to solve. So fifth question where we already solved. Okay, screenshot taken, right? See here, fifth question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining a 1 minus 5 and b minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. This were solved in yesterday class, already shown PPTs. Okay, so let us move to sixth question. Sixth question. If 1 2 4y x6 and 3 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. So they only given already, it is a parallelogram taken in order. Find x and y. See, I will draw one parallelogram. A, B, C, D. What is the coordinates of A? 1 2. What is the coordinates of B? Minus 2. Sorry, 4y. 1 to 4y. C, coordinates of C, x6. Coordinates of D, 3 5. Okay, in order, find x and y. Okay, so for this we know that AB is equal to CD. All of you agree with this concept? We know that AB is equal to CD. Why? Distance
Sir, ಅದು
AB
parallelograms.
is equal to CD. Yes, it is a parallelogram. What it means if it is a parallelogram? Yes, it is a parallelogram. They only said. But I am saying that AB is equal to CD. Why?
The two sides are equal.
Not two sides, opposite sides. Okay. You must say opposite sides in a parallelogram. Properties of a parallelogram says that opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So AB and CD are the opposite sides of a parallelogram. Therefore, they are equal. So I am writing that we know that AB equal to CD because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. AB and CD. To find AB and CD, which formula we have to use here? So first we need to find coordinates of P. So ratio M is to N is given by, so coordinates of P we need to find first coordinates of P. So first, okay, ratio to find the ratio in which diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so for that, So you may take AC or BD. You can take the coordinates of A and C, and or you may take the coordinates of B and D, in which coordinate is given. Here x coordinate is not given, y coordinate is given. Take 6 is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, this is equal to 6 is equal to, here m and n are same ratio, 1 into y2 sorry pxy is equal to y2 plus y1 by 2. We need to find both. I think the ratio. To find y coordinate, y is equal to y2 plus y1, y2 plus y1 by 2, y is equal to, what is y2? y2 is 6 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2 is 4. In the same way, x coordinate is found by x is equal to, in another way, x2 plus x1 by 2. So this is given by, for that we can find this 4 plus 3 divided by 2. 4 plus 3 divided by 2 is 7 by 2. Therefore, coordinates of pxy is equal to 7 by 2 comma 4. Okay, coordinates of p is 7 by 2 comma 4. Therefore coordinates of pxy is given by mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. For this, first we consider AC. For this, if we consider AC means coordinates of P are 7 by 2, P of 7 by 2 comma 4 is given by, for that 1 into x2 is x itself, plus 1 into x1 is also 1 divided by 2, 1 into bracket of y2 is 6 plus 1 into y1 is 2 divided by 2. For this you can take only x coordinate. Okay, that implies 7 by 2 is equal to 1 into x is x plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2. By cross multiplication, 7 by 2 into 2 is equal to x plus 1. Here 2 get cancelled, and that implies x is equal x plus 1 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 minus 1. So x is equal to 6. X value is we found just. Okay, this is x is 6. In the same way, coordinate of p of xy is again given by same mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is equal to, so p 7 2 comma 4. Okay, this time you consider, to find y we have to consider the coordinates of d and b. So take as x1 y1, x2 y2. So m is to n is 1 is to n, because p is the midpoint of db, because diagonals bisect each other in the parallelogram. That's why. So 1 into x2, here x2 is 4 plus 1 into x1 is 3 divided by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, comma 1 into y2 is y plus 1 into y1 is 5 divided by 2. Now you consider y coordinate because we need to find y. So 4 is equal to 1 into y is y, 5 into 1 is 5 divided by 2. By cross multiplication, 4 2s are 8 is equal to 5 y plus 5. That implies y is equal to 8 minus 3. That implies y is equal to 3. So value of y is 3. Yes, first take the screenshot. Right. Take the screenshot.
Sir, 8 minus 3 is 5, sir. 8 minus 5 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು sir. 3 ಬರ್ದಿರಿ.
5. Yes, 5. It is 5.
Sir, last answer y is equal to 3 ಐತ್ರಿ sir value.
Y is equal
8
to
is equal to 5 minus 5. 8 minus 5 sir.
8 minus
8
5
minus
ಅಲ್ಲ
5
so
sir.
8
sir.
minus 5 ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ 3 ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ. Y is equal to 3.
Yes sir.
Yes. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಯ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ ಪಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವಾಯ್ ಬಳಸ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ವಾಯ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ವಾಯ್ ನ ಇದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಇದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ವಾಯ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to y2 6 plus 2 divided by 2. So 6 plus 2 divided by 2 is 8 by 2, that is 4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ p ಅಂತೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ x ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x2 plus x1 divided by 2, 4 plus 3 divided by 2, 4 plus 3 divided by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, 7 by 2 ಸಿಕ್ತು. ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಿನೂ ಒಂದು ಒಂದೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಿನೂ ಒಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ P is the midpoint of AC as well as P is the midpoint of BD. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವಾಯ್ನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
today this much is enough. We will continue remaining exercise in the tomorrow class. I think all of you understand the concepts very well for the today class. Okay. At the same time, tomorrow we will again meet in the online platform. Bye.
Bye.
Okay sir,
sir.
thank you sir. Bye sir.
Bye, sir.